Be a course at the Ghana Media Personality Awards. I won't cry her. A weird chire, dear, that is a multimedia Jumakwe. You don't know about the inside. Adom TV. It was so.
Ejumadini a impinifo ene wana womo eye ejuma ewo Multimedia Group Limited ada nedini enam so ama Sintes Ghana Media Personality Awards akobo multimedia ejumeko no abaso jumadia ekoso no ewo nkran no Multimedia Group Limited enya awards enan awards a womo enya ye no eye TV News Program of the Year eno ekoma Joy News TV Current Affairs Show of the Year eno eye News File eno nso ewo Joy News Adom ni nhira so enya Radio Lifestyle Show of the Year Eyobra Radio Lifestyle Show Personality of the Year Mama Efe onipa kane ono na no hostu dwumadie bi ewo Joy FM a dwumadie ni din ede Rhythms A to Z Show George Quay ene ko gine mu eje abasobodie ede ma Multimedia Group Limited ensem sei ana odi tudwa
my mom, congratulations. Joy News. Yeah, na you say about the news. Over the years, they've given some professionalism and a lot of solid dedication into production and almost fine details. Na say the news nobody to ja. Omon frano, omon sesano, omon sensationalizing in any way. Omo can use no true do said yeah ete. Ocean so omota a research na idea omo the church among for idea and omo the correct news etuja.
Deputy Chief Executive Officer Edema Sintes Ghana Media Personality Awards Aonoa Ekahubi Anasa Awards Jumedie womo ehihye no Prince Osei Owusu enso ene Adom News in Central for etwetwe nkomo no wodi tudwa se womo tenas ehu se media houses modern bo a womo ebo no womo mu manfo no esise womo ebo mabaso se ne womo bekoso aye dwumadene ede aboa oman Ghana.
Okay, but I want to say a person acknowledge yes with the media. Because born ma or honmo yejuma with our media staff no or yejuma, but at the end of the day, Ghana for obian yere and fa ancient in Munyante yadrin say wedding. The foot on Bessamachum at the moment say they should keep what they are doing. At the end of the day, we Ghana, we here, we are really here to support. At the end of the day, it's not been easy to stand up every morning, going to radio station, going up, and it's not easy. At the end of the day, they should keep up, and we are here to